Hello students, today's topic is clinical trials in drug discovery process. Clinical research. It refers to trials or studies undertaken to check the therapeutic parameters and safety concerns on human subjects. It includes four stages: phase 1, phase 2, phase 3 and phase 4. Phase 1 is an open study which includes a small group of about 20 to 50 healthy subjects. The study is concerned with determination of tolerant doses, safety or toxicity concerns, and pharmacodynamics of the new drug. It takes 6 to 12 months of study. The study determines the maximum tolerant dose MTD. Phase 2. It is a controlled study involving patients with some diseases. Example, anxiety, depression, phobia. It also includes patients with the disease which the drug is supposed to treat. The number of individuals include from 100 to 300. The study is done to evaluate the efficacy, toxicity, drug interaction, dosage regime, duration of treatment, and frequency of administration. It takes of 6 months to several years of study. It is a single blind trial and comparison is made with a standard drug. Phase 3. It is an expanded randomized multi-center trial which includes 1,000 to 3,000 patients. This phase checks with the efficacy of the drug, monitors side effects, and compares it with a standard and a placebo drug. Placebos are substances which do not have any therapeutic value. It is a double-blind trial. In the meantime, the new drug application NDA or Biologics License Application BLA is prepared for submission. It includes all the data from the preclinical trials to phase 3 of clinical trials. It can take 2 to 3 years for FDA review. Last, phase 4 trials. It includes post-marketing surveillance to study the long-term effects, adverse effects, and optimal use of the drug. There are instances when the drug has been withdrawn from the market if any adverse effects are observed. The stage also includes benefit cost assessment, that is pharmacoeconomics, comparative benefit risk assessment, and quality of life assessment. The phase 1 studies of clinical trial are of two kinds: single ascending dose study SAD and multiple ascending dose study MAD. In single ascending dose study, a small group of subjects are given a single dose of the drug and observed for a period of time. If the pharmacokinetic data is in line with the predicted safe values, the dose is increased in a new group of subjects. It is continued till maximum tolerant dose or MTD is estimated. Multiple ascending dose MAD. Here, a group of subjects receive multiple doses of the drug. Samples of blood and other body fluids are collected at various points and analyzed. This gives a better understanding of the pharmacokinetics and pharmacodynamics of the drug. The flowchart here summarizes the different phases, or stages of clinical trial. Prior to starting with the clinical investigation, the developer or the sponsor should submit the investigational new drug application to FDA. The application should include data on animal studies and toxicity studies done under preclinical trials, the manufacturing information, clinical protocols for studies to be conducted, data from any prior human research, and information about the investigator. Human subjects joining for clinical trials must sign a consent form. The volunteers need to give their personal details as to gender, age, medical condition, medication history, etc. The volunteers should be informed about the possible benefits and risk of the trial, procedures and tests required, and how it would affect their daily life, duration of study, the precautions or care to be taken during the trial, payment, reimbursements, etc. A participant can leave the clinical trial if he or she wishes to. The different types of trial that are used are open label trial, where both the investigator and the patient knows the full details of the treatment. Single blind trial, where the investigator knows the details of the treatment but the patient does not. Double blind, neither the investigator nor the patient is aware of the treatment details. Triple blind trial, investigator, patient, and statisticians are blinded. A overview of drug development timeline. The figure here shows the funnel diagram for milestones of drug discovery. Thank you.